What is going on, guys, and welcome back to yet again another video on wrapping my Dead X. I'm getting straight into it in this video. It's going to jump straight into a time lapse of me going in on this rear door here, and we're just going to keep moving forward. As you guys saw from the last video, pretty good update for you guys. We have hood scoop, all passenger side pretty much besides side skirt section. This 3/4 also ended the video on this 3/4 section. So now we just have the driver's side rear door, driver's side front door, front fender, and then finish off the little stuff like all of the flares, and then of course the hardest thing, which is going to be the front bumper, and then the rear, which I don't know if it's going to be that bad. So we're going to keep it going, pushing through. Wish me luck. Alright, we got the door finalized, ready to go. Even did the door handle as well. So pretty stoked on it. Now moving on to this door here. What I actually did in this section here is a little bit of wet sanding because I had the same issue, just a little bit smaller, of where the clear coat came up when I took off the old wrap. This came out perfect. You literally can't even see where I did it. So I'm going to do it to this area as well, get this one prepped and get this one wrapped. Moving on to the final door. This one took a little bit of prep because this is the part that the clear coat was peeling. So I just did a little wet sanding. As you can see, some good lighting. Where are we at? That's gonna be impossible. I guess you can kind of see. Wet sanded this guy, made it 100% smooth, so you won't be able to see it through. And now that obviously the wrap's gonna protect it until I get around to actually painting this car. There's a little section here and there's a little small section up front. So it's all good to go. We're gonna get the full template all cut out, then moving on. The boy, he is here, he's ready to go.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. It's absolutely been a while. So, number one, don't mind if I look blown out. We had a situation last night. You know, there was a situation last night. It was, yeah. Anyway, moving on from that. Hold on. Ready? Stay. It's gonna stay there. Pretty much what's going down is, it's been like 3 days since the last clip. You guys saw me, I think, probably wrapping the doors. Doors came out fantastic. I'm super pumped on it. Might redo a little portion of the door handle area. But besides that, all we have to do is this fender, and the body's pretty much done besides the bumpers and the flares. So we're gonna go in. We're probably gonna end today's video with me wrapping this front fender. And like I said, we just got the bumper, and then I ordered a little something special that we're gonna be waiting on. Hopefully next week it will come, and then the car should be ready to go. So
Can you just show them the thing already?
show them what?
You know,
What? What am I showing them?
the new.
The new. The new. Who is it? That was Steven Kwan Photography. Wasn't me.
Man, I'm gonna knock them out.
Nah, knock him out. Maybe at the end I'll show him.
Alright.
I might have got a new car. I'll just put that out there, but it's fine. So I'll show you guys at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Fender's done, ready to go. Looking freaking fantastic. Obviously still need to do the flare. The only one we have done is the flare on that side. This flare needs to be done. The two rear flares need to be done. This door handle is just sitting over there. And then rear bumper and front bumper. But before I end today's video, Steven wants me to show you guys my new car. I wasn't gonna, like, you guys probably think I'm joking, but I really did get a new car.
It's like a race car.
I wasn't gonna say anything about it, but we'll go up there and we'll do a little explaining. There it is, there's the keys. That's Subaru keys, but this is the other one. Oh, they ain't gonna see it, Okay, so the car is in front of me, ready to go. I don't know why you're laughing, like, it's actually sick.
No, it is
So,
sick.
no, quick backstory why I got it. So, it is a daily, so it's not another race car. But the reason why I got it is, obviously I wanted a car that I would have no worries driving, and I didn't have any temptation to modify it. And I wanted something that looked pretty good, really good gas mileage, and was just comfortable. So, I'm gonna turn this thing around, show you guys my new car. And there it is. It is a 2020, excuse me? It is a 2020 Toyota Corolla SE
That's so weird.
Premium.
I thought you were about to say Supra.
I thought I was, which was like weird, but like, anyway, there's the key. It's ready to go. This is the inside. And I was going back and forth on what I wanted. I did want a Tacoma originally, but it just wasn't making sense as far as like financial wise. I didn't want to spend that much money. This thing is just leased. I'm gonna have it for a little bit. It's literally just to get me to point A, from point A to point B. I want it super comfortable. I didn't want it to break on me. I don't want to work on it. I literally just want it as like a workhorse. That's just gonna just get me, you know? Just give me whatever I need.
Yeah.
And especially because I want to push my channel more towards kind of traveling around the Bay and filming my behind the build videos. I don't want to bring the Hawkeye everywhere. Just because I don't want it to break. I'm gonna be stressed out and just loading stuff in and out of that thing. I don't know. It just stresses me out, and I would just rather not do that. I'd rather have a car that's gonna get me there, no issue. It's not gonna break on me, and I'd rather not put miles in the Subaru. I'd rather put it on this. So that's kind of my explanation for that. Definitely, eventually, I will get my like little dream Tacoma, but just wasn't the time. So I'm super stoked on it. I've had this thing for like how long? Couple weeks, huh? I've had this thing for a couple weeks. I did post it on Instagram right when I got it, but I didn't say anything. I just posted my story. But this is it. So, yeah, that's it. I don't know, what else do I say about it? I mean, it has like blue stitch. It's got blue stitch.
Apple CarPlay.
It's Alex Vargas special, all black interior. It's got Apple CarPlay. It's got push to start. It has sunroof.
Squishy leather.
It's got freaking leather everywhere, leather steering wheel.
Water holder.
You know, I got freaking water holders everywhere. There was like a bunch of different levels of this. So this one, if you guys didn't know, it has a 2-liter instead of 1.8 because it's the SE. And then I wanted the premium, which is like you don't get a key, or you get a key, but it's like a different key. So you have keyless entry where like you put your hand in it and it unlocked for you. You press it and it will lock for you.
I realize how sick the seats look.
No,
They
seats
wait.
are sick.
They kind of look like my seats.
Yeah, you jealous? Just kidding.
Well, no.
Yeah, anyway, I mean, it's just ease of use. Obviously, hop in the car, I don't need to get my key out, and I could just friggin' push to start, because they don't normally come with that, and I wanted to get the one that had it. So anyway, it's black on the outside, black on the inside, and I'm gonna tint the windows, and that's probably it. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys love the new whip, I guess, that I wasn't planning on showing you guys, but it is what it is. You guys know everything about my life. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.